is Dean from 5150. Today we're going to be installing a new horn on our 1989 Jeep Cherokee Project RockLander. We ended up getting these Hellas. These are called the Super Tone horn set. There's two of them in the box. So come join us as we go in and install these. We're going to unbox it first. So we're going to go ahead and unbox them. Looks like we got a relay. There's one horn. There's the second horn. We're going to open it up. These are made by Hella. They're all steel construction. Basically, we're just going to unmount the stock horn, put these in its place, and wire them up. So there's one. Here's the second one. Comes with a little Hella sticker. The installation instructions. So let's go get this started. So we're pulling the horn off. This is the driver's side. What size wrench is that? Half inch. Half inch. And there's two bolts to hold it on, or just one? Just one. So here, you hang into a pattern. So here we're going to ground it from here to there. This is the one closest to the sticker. I'm not sure if they're identified. Which one's positive, which one's ground. All right, anyways, we're going to go one closest to the sticker or down towards this indentation or this height thing here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mount it. Now you can mount these wherever you want. We just happen to find a hole here. It's up out of the way so rocks won't hit it. So it looks like a good spot for us. We may move it eventually. All right. Can you do the other one?
I gotta go get some more hardware.
Moving the horn on the passenger side. Again, on our Jeep, it's a 1/2 inch. You're not using the ratchet, or is it 9/16?
Half inch.
What do you use for the tight? They're smaller, 7/16 for the.
Yeah.
And we just have this one sitting here for now. Maybe swing it over. And this is the factory horn. Patrick's connecting the ground to that bolt there. So wait, let me verify something. Is that the same, the ground? Is it going to the bump?
No.
And it worked though, let's see. This time we have the ground going to the opposite end of the sticker. Let me see the bump. Can you flip it around more? So this one doesn't have that indentation. So again, these horns, one's a 300 hertz and the other's a 500 hertz, I believe. Okay. So we're gonna put a washer and a lock washer on that. Using grade 8 bolts for these horns, just because of the weight. Make sure they're strong. Only the best for our Jeep. We didn't have to drill these holes; they were already there. These are 1/4 bolts that we're using. And that's pretty much it. So there's the passenger side. And the driver's side. There's a horn on the passenger side. And the driver's side. Go ahead and let's hear it. Yeah, they're pretty loud. Pretty happy with them. Go ahead and do it again. Do it again. Go ahead and do it hard. Okay. Okay, guys, we got the horns installed. Pretty easy install. Only took us maybe 10-15 minutes at the most. Again, these are the Hellas. These are the super tone horn set. Picked these up at 4 Parts. Very easy to install. Again, they're 118 dBs is the rating of them. One horn's 300 hertz and the other is 500 hertz. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like,